In this video, I'm going to show you how to add attachments in MailChimp the simple way using a button that links directly to your file. This is a great method if you want to send a free PDF, guide, worksheet, checklist, or any downloadable resource to your subscribers without making the process confusing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. Once you're inside MailChimp, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are managed. Now find the email campaign where you want to offer your free PDF or downloadable file. When you locate the correct campaign, click Edit to open it. That will take you into the campaign details so you can start making changes. Next, on the campaign overview page, click Edit Design. This opens the MailChimp email editor, which is where you can build the email and add the button that will act like your attachment link. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand content panel and locate the button block. This is the element you'll use so subscribers can click and access your file. Drag and drop the button block into the spot in your email where you want the attachment access to appear. You can place it below your message, after your offer, or anywhere it fits naturally in the layout. After adding the button, click on it to select it. Then, in the left-hand settings panel, open the link to drop-down menu. From there, choose File. This tells MailChimp that the button should point to a downloadable file instead of a web page or email address. After that, click Add File. Now MailChimp will ask you to upload the file you want to attach. Choose Upload from your device, then browse your computer for the file you want to share. Select the file and click Open. MailChimp will begin uploading it for you, so give it a moment to finish. Once the upload is complete, the button will be connected to that file, and subscribers will be able to click it to download or view the attachment. Now it's time to customize the button so it looks clear and professional. Click the button text in the email preview and replace it with a simple call to action like download, get the PDF, or save your guide. A strong button label helps people understand exactly what they're getting and makes it more likely they'll click. You can also adjust the style, color, and design of the button so it matches the rest of your email branding. When everything looks good, review your layout one more time to make sure the button is in the right place and the file link is working as expected. Finally, click Save and Exit in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've learned how to add attachments in MailChimp using a file-linked button. This is one of the easiest ways to share downloadable content inside an email campaign. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.